loves, welcome back to my channel, and it's a very simple topic: how to attract a woman. Why would you want to listen to this kind of topic, how to attract a woman? Some men find it very difficult attracting a woman. Some find it very difficult chasing or getting a girlfriend for themselves. There are some things you need to work on yourself for you to easily attract a woman. I know that it is easy, or as easy as saying just have money, you attract every woman that you want. It can be true, but it may not necessarily be true. Having money and just having money alone can attract you a lot of women, but it may not really attract you the kind of woman you actually want. That's where this topic comes in handy. In as much as they're trying to attract a woman and they tell you that just have money, you attract any woman you want, you will attract a lot of women, but you attract more of gold diggers. You attract people that are not up to your standards. If you want maybe a high value woman, a confident woman, or someone that is way above your worth, you may go beyond just having money to attract a woman. There are some simple things that you need to do that can attract a woman easily. You don't need to do so much to get her to be your girlfriend or your partner. The number one point, hands down, is confidence. Confidence is very simple, very self-explanatory, and I'm not going to be explaining confidence or how to build confidence for you, because this is a full topic that someone needs to talk about. So if you don't understand confidence, you can browse this and check people that have talked on confidence. Now, building confidence can be as far as working on yourself, working on your career, improving yourself and getting better in some aspects or in various fields. Having confidence is as much as knowing how to handle a situation, knowing that you can handle the situation and not fidgeting when something comes up, and believing in yourself and knowing that I can take care of this, I can run this, I can do this, and I'll come out victorious. If you lack confidence and you want to start working or building on your confidence, knowledge is very, very useful. Acquiring knowledge, getting exposure, learning new things, believing in yourself, giving yourself affirmation, looking at yourself in the mirror daily and telling yourself, I can do this, I will do this, and I am definitely going to do this. Knowing that when you're faced with a situation that you can handle it as a man that you are. Every woman, even not almost every woman, I wouldn't say all because some women don't care, but almost every woman would want to get themselves involved with someone, a man that is confident. One of the ways to attract a woman is genuine interest and active listening. You have a genuine interest in her, not because you're looking for her cookie. You're interested in her, but it is genuine. She's able to make out or understand the fact that you're genuine, you're real with her. And then you listen to her. You listen to the conversation she's having with you. You're paying good attention and you remember the things she's talked about. So it is as easy as listening to her and being genuinely interested in her. And that is very, very easy to attract a woman or get a woman attracted to you. Once she has seen you're genuinely interested in her, she would, on the other hand, want to be interested in you. And when you pay attention to her, even when she's yapping or saying things that may not really be understandable to you, but you still try to pay attention, in that way she kind of feels or she knows that you're interested in her, you like her, and it makes her to be interested in you. You know, most times love doesn't just catch a woman, or I don't know how to put that, but most times it's just the man that sees a woman and loves her or likes her. And then, because the man is showing kindness, care, and love to the woman will in turn return back the favor. So sometimes most women behave or treat you according to what you exude or what you give them. Number 3, sense of humor and spontaneity. A good sense of humor is a factor that can work incredible wonders when trying to attract a woman. Laughter bonds people almost as powerfully as conversations do. Sharing light-hearted moments, engaging in light banter, cracking jokes, and being able to find comic relief in everyday situations can create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere. Spontaneity adds an element of surprise and excitement to your communication. Planning unexpected fun activities or surprising her with small gestures can make her feel special and appreciated. Adopting a sense of humor and spontaneity is certainly how to attract a woman for keeps. Number 4, emotional intelligence and authenticity. Emotional intelligence is more like understanding your own emotional balance or understanding how to deal with your own situations. When you can deal with your situation, you'll be able to manage other people's situation. But if you can't handle your own emotional duties, you won't be able to handle other people's. Now, authenticity is being yourself, being your true self, being genuine and legit. That person was never original. The person was never authentic. The person was faking because he knows these are the attributes that a woman wants in a man. So let me wear the garment of deceit and the garment of what a woman wants from a man. And once she sees this, she will definitely want it because this is what they want. And they are faking those characters. They refuse to be their true selves. But once they see that their plan is not working, they remove the garments and you will see the real person that they are. So being very authentic, being true to yourself, being yourself will attract a lot of women. You will deceive a lot of women when you actually tell them the truth. Even when that truth is bitter, they'll keep wondering, what made you to say the truth? Because in the world we are now, a lot of people lie to their truth. They want to get what they want to get, so they lie just to get it. But when you're honest, they kind of get confused. What will make this person to tell me the truth? Even the world we live in now, no one tells the truth, and you would have just lied to get what you want. But you told the truth, so you get her confused. So be your authentic self and have emotional balance, emotional intelligence, being able to control emotional things that happen in your life so that you'll be able to control the emotional aspect of the woman's life. Thoughtfulness. Now, some people may explain this in a different way, but to me, my own explanation of thoughtfulness when I want to talk about how to attract a woman is more like being thoughtful, especially towards her. This is one of my top 5 traits that I pick out in a man that I feel like I want to date. I feel like you being thoughtful, in my own understanding, is also showing that you care about the person, you think about her, you think good of her. You also mindful of me in the sense that maybe you say that I'm tired, I'm worn out, but there's something that I told you that will help you do. But you've seen that I'm very tired and worn out. And you say that I wouldn't have the strength to do that, but you just care about yourself. And then you don't care how tired or exhausted I am, but you're still demanding I do that for you today. That's you not being thoughtful. You're just being selfish and you just care about yourself. Another way you can attract a woman is being kind and showing her respect. Being kind and showing respect doesn't even mean showing just her kindness and respect. It could also be you showing respect and kindness to other people. You reach out your hands of kindness to people you meet on the street, to strangers. That really makes you really attractive instantly. A lot of women want to get involved with a man that is kind and respectful, because if you marry someone that is not kind, you will suffer. So you can see, even when you have all the money but you are not respectful, you're not kind, for a woman to keep being in that relationship with you because you just have money but you don't respect her, you're not even kind, that means you're dating a low value woman and a gold digger, because a high value woman will not settle for you being disrespectful to her and for you being wicked. Number 7 is ambition and growth. And here is where I'll kind of talk about you getting money. When you have an ambition, you have drive, you attract a lot of women. A lot of women want someone that is successful. But one thing I must say for sure, I don't know why I don't like it when, or I don't like men that are this to like approach me. Like all they've got is just ambition and drive. That's all they've got. There's no romance, there's no love. Like they just have ambition. Their goal is just to, I must make money only. That's just their goal when it comes to a woman, and I can attract any woman I want. And then when they attract that woman, they want to marry you because you're also a hard worker. You're also making money for yourself. You are also a confident or alpha female. Now, they want you because you're also bringing fortune. You're bringing finance also into the They don't need to work their ass out to provide for you and the kids because you're also working. And sometimes the marriage is more like it's a business proposal or business related, that they don't care about romance. All they focus on is just money, money, money. They feel like that marriage is a business, that is business based. Like the both of you are married, you're just married to make kids, and then that is it. There's no romance, there's no love, there's no, sweet gestures in the marriage. It's just he goes to work, brings money home, you cook, take care of the kids. That's just it. Very boring. It's as if you're not having fun in life. This is just what you came to life to do. Give birth. That's it. There's no fun, there's no romance. And when he wants to knack, he will play romance a day before that day, or even that day. In fact, during the romance, he's not even making love to you. He's not even touching you like someone he passionately loves. He's just touching you like someone that, let's just make babies, or someone that is happy to share beautiful memories with you, and not just about memory of giving birth, living life, and just eating food. Living just life, just wake up, go to work, come back, bring money home, and that's it. Life will just be so boring. No. You feel like romance is just this child's play, is waste of time. I don't want to attract people like this. So you see that no matter the money you have, you may not be able to attract the kind of woman that you want. Empathy and supportiveness. Empathy is more like being kind. If you are not kind, you can't have empathy. Supportiveness, every partner wants their partner to support them. Even the male partners want their female partners to be supportive. Maybe she has had a busy day and she still have some work to tidy up at home. Maybe you can help her to do one or two. That is the way you're being supportive. And she wants to achieve her goals, her dreams, and then you're helping her, you're supporting her. Let's say she wants to be a content creator. She just opened an Instagram page, no followers, nothing. You can be the first person to follow her. She creates makeup related videos, but you don't even care about makeup because you're a guy. You just keep watching and commenting just so that you support what she does. Communication, your communication skills can help you attract a lot of women. Make sure that you have a very good sense of humor when you communicate. A lot of men want someone that can make them laugh. They want to spend a good time with someone. They don't want to have a boring time with you. Have a good time and feel like it was therapeutic discussing or having conversation with you. So your communication skill or style will matter in a way you attract a woman. Doesn't mean that you have to be a comedian for you to attract a woman. The number 10 is personal grooming. Of course, I've been talking about characters, qualities. This should be one of the top points. Very simple way to attract a woman. There are some women that they will consider if they will be in a relationship with you when they first enter your house. They want to know what your house looks like. Your house doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing. How do you keep your house? Do you tidy your bed? Is your bathroom? Do you flush the toilet after using it? Do you clean after yourself? How many days have you dumped the plates in your sink, in your dishwasher? Like, how often do you even do your laundry, or you just, when you need a boxers or shorts, you go to the laundry and pick out the dirty one and put it on? If you're so rich and then an elegant woman managed to get to give you attention because you have money, when she enters your space and she sees some of these things and she knows she has knack for cleanliness. That's one of my attributes, one of my top 5 as well, neatness. But not that you have an OCD or that you'll be neat to the core. At least if you see someone that is trying his best, even when they have busy lifestyles, you know that gradually they will get better the way you want them to. So personal grooming, like maybe if you're someone that trims your hairs down there, make sure you always trim. But if you don't trim your hair down there, make sure you always keep it neat, washed, wash off sweats. If you trim here, make sure you do. If you don't, make sure it is washed properly. So apart from your personal environment, your body itself, how do you brush your teeth regularly? How is your oral hygiene? How is your personal hygiene? And here comes to the end of the video, and I am wishing that you found the video helpful. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down in the comment section, and like this video, share it. I'm going to see you next time on the next one. Bye.